Install a dedicated catering sink with direct exterior drain access to speed cleanup and water disposal for large family house event logistics. Place the sink in a mudroom or side service area with a straight run to an approved outdoor drain or sanitary system and ensure slope and venting meet local code. Use a large radius stainless steel basin at least 30 inches by 24 inches to accommodate full trays and reduce splashing. Install a dump valve sized for high flow and connect it to a separate drain line with a trap primer or air gap to prevent sewer gas backflow. Fit a hose hookup with a pressure-rated braided line and a quick connect coupler to make rinsing and filling fast and to allow connection to a pressure washer if needed. Add a simple water heater bypass valve so you can switch instantly between hot and cold without waiting for recovery during back-to-back events. Include a sturdy splash guard and anti-slip glycol mat underfoot to control runoff and protect finishes during heavy use. Common mistakes start with tying the sink into the same small kitchen drain, which leads to slow discharge and backups. Run a dedicated line with the correct diameter and slope to avoid that. People often forget local code requirements for exterior discharges and air gaps, which can cause failed inspections. Check with your local plumbing authority and plan for a permitted outlet or connection to the sanitary sewer. Another frequent issue is undersized fittings and valves that limit flow and make dumping slow. Use full port valves and match pipe sizing to the dump valve rating so you get the flow you need. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with contractors who do large event and specialty plumbing work and helps contractors find local projects that fit their skills. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share practical tips, product recommendations, and installation experiences.